I went across to the Norton Music Factory in West Caloundra today and met up with the boys from Sisters Doll who were doing their sound check before tonight's gig. I made sure I bought as much merch as I could get on the day and managed to get pics with each one of the boys too, so that's a lot of fun. I got multi-pics of this one here taken by their lovely lady Tracy who sells their merch and whatever. And here we are. Here he is. Oh man, did this dude drum up a storm today? He was practicing his drum solo and for the sound, and oh my god.
One, two, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah.
Good.
1, 2, hey. Hey, hey. Got that weird thing out. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2. Cool. You want to do that?
Hey, yeah, 1, 2.
Are you happy with the track in your thing?
Yeah, I think it was pretty. Yeah, it was kind of sense.
I'll play it now. Can you hear it?
Not yet.